Update orders eliminates the time-consuming steps involved in changing order details for dozens or hundreds of quotes or orders in the Sage 300 order entry module. It lets you update multiple orders, to change a kit or BOM number to update the kit or BOM components on multiple orders, to update the expected ship date of one or more items in multiple orders, update the prices for an item, list of items, or all items, substitute one or more items for other items in multiple orders, put multiple orders on hold or remove holds for one or more customers, update customer addresses in orders, including standing orders, update the deliver by date of one or more items, commit or uncommit quantities for multiple items on multiple orders, change the salesperson code on a set of orders, reduce the quantity on order to 0 for items that are not in stock, take completed orders off hold, update the ship via code or description for a set of orders, and update the order reference for a set of orders. You simply select the update action, specify the changes, and choose a set of customers and orders. Update orders updates the orders quickly and accurately in a single operation. Let's launch Update Orders. First, you choose what needs to be updated. For example, if an item is out of stock and you have to update the expected ship date on all orders, you would choose Update Item Expected Ship Date, choose Specific Item, select the item, for example A11050, specify the expected ship date, I'll move it to January 24th, and depending on whether you ship partial orders, update the order expected ship date too. Now you can select the orders to be changed, in this case, all orders. You can also select additional criteria to select orders using a wide selection of order fields. When you click the Load button, all of the orders or quotes that match the criteria will be displayed. You can double-click an order number to display the full order details. You can use the Select All and Select None buttons, and you can double-click the Include column to make your selections. To finish, click the Process button, and the operation is complete. Another common procedure is an address update. You choose which addresses you are updating, the new addresses are pulled from the customer record, and then specify the customers and orders that you are updating. Again, I click the Load button to load orders, and then click the Process button to complete the operation. Update Orders is very flexible. To update kit or BOM numbers, you simply specify the item number of the kit or BOM and the from and to kit or BOM numbers. You can also specify the ID and password for the person approving price changes resulting from the different kit or BOM number. And you can select orders by customer number or order number. If substituting items, you fill in the from and to item information on the item list form and choose the substitution options you require. The program lets you restrict substitutions to unshipped orders and to keep the price of the original item. When substituting items, you can also retain the original order line with the quantity of the replaced item set to 0. As with kits and BOMs, you can specify the ID and password for the person approving price changes resulting from item substitution. And you then select the range of orders you want to update. For example, we can select the orders for a single customer, like customer number 1105. I'll click the Load button to display the orders and quotes, and then click the Process button, and the operation is complete. Like most Tyrox products that perform potentially large changes, Update Orders keeps a daily log file, which you can see here. That completes a quick look at Update Orders, one of the Tyrox productivity tools for Sage 300. Please visit the Tyrox website for more detailed information about productivity tools and other Tyrox products.